how it works, lady. Sorry, your fire doesn't really hurt us, but I mean, I can fake it if that'll get your dick hard.
Oh, shit. Well, I'll just shoot you in your smart-ass mouth.
That would be more effective.
Blitz. Foxy!
You're not getting your goddamn paycheck for this one, Mox. Oh yeah, thanks. I'm fine.
I'm sorry, sir. I compromised our objective and put us in harm's way. It won't happen again. I promise.
Apology accepted.
But if you ever pull a stunt like this again...